Hello friends, I am Alish Patil and you are watching Data Dynamo. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the Excel related topics. From today, we are going to be start the Excel related playlist inside the YouTube. Our today's topic is HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. The HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is the most important topic inside the Advanced Excel and Excel. So let's start it. So what is the basic difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP? The HLOOKUP stand for horizontal lookup and VLOOKUP stand for vertical lookup. So basic difference as you can see inside this image is that while VLOOKUP they take a reference from the another table which is actually arranged by vertically, and the difference between and the another one HLOOKUP, the reference table is arranged by horizontally manner. Okay, so what is a lookup? So basically, suppose we want to fetch the data from the another table with the help of some reference value. At that time, we can use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP inside the Excel. Okay, VLOOKUP uh, refers the table which is stored in another sheet also, which can be in another sheet also, or the same for the same sheet also. Okay, so this is the overall difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, and this is the overall information between the how can we fetch the data from the another table. Inside VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, the main important thing is the reference value, where we can fetch the data with the help of that reference value accurately. Okay, so this is the overall uh, explanation of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's start the practical implementation of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's start it. For this, we just want to be open the Excel notebook. Here we have already a data. We have two tables here. One is arranged as a vertically. One table is arranged as a vertically, and another table is arranged as a horizontally. Okay. Suppose I want to fetch the data from this table to another table where ID is present and the same value of ID is present there also, but their arrangement might be the different. Okay, so let's start it. Suppose we have this type of data. Let's change their arrangement, so you will get the largest to smallest. Okay, copy, cut. Okay, got it. We don't want to be copied. Okay, that is it. Suppose our ID start from 1039 to 1001. Okay, and you want to be fetch the data from this table. Okay, so at that time we can use a VLOOKUP here. Let's try it. Suppose I want 1039 the name for 1039 with the another table, but here you can see that 1039 is not the first number, so here you cannot use the copy paste method. Here we have to be use the here we have to be use the VLOOKUP only. Okay, so let's start it. The syntax of VLOOKUP is start with a VLOOKUP. Our reference table is a vertically arranged. That's the reasons we are going to be use VLOOKUP. So let's start it. Lookup. There is some spelling mistake. K, right? Okay. Then you just want to be add the reference value here, which is nothing but ID. Let's select it and then write a comma. The reference value after the, or you can say lookup value. Lookup value and reference value both are the same. Then you just want to be add the table range here. Let's go to the data and select whole table from the first value to last value, and then write a comma. And our third argument for the VLOOKUP function is the index name. Here our index number is 2. As you can see that there are only 2 columns, but I want the second column. That's reasons I'm just going to be write here this 2 number, because I want the second column, right? That is it. And the last but not least argument is the boolean value. If I want the approximate match, then you can write true or 1. If you want exact match, then you have to write false or 0. Even you can write false or 0, but here I am going to be write false. Just cover it, just close the bracket and the enter. You will get the exact result what you want. Okay, and I want the same result for the all columns, all records also. So what I have to do here is the some twist. Okay, if I drag all the data to be write the dollar symbol, where dollar is we are going to be used for the absolute value. Just write it as it is, and afterward you just want to be enter it, not have any issue. And then you just want to be double click or you just want to be double click or drag it. Okay, I just double click on the corner symbol, and you will get the all result from the table first. Okay, that is it. And the another thing is, suppose I have a data like ID and name, but in this fashion, then how can we use the VLOOKUP? For this we have another lookup which is also known as a HLOOKUP. So let's try to it. Okay, that is it. Okay, suppose I want the same result for here also, but the different is, sorry, one thing I just forgot. Okay, sorry. The reference value. Suppose I want the same result. Suppose I want same result but different table. Suppose I want the same result from the another table which is horizontally arranged. Okay, So at this point we can use a VLOOKUP. So let's try it. So here everything is common. You just want to be write HLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP. HLOOKUP. Then you just want to be click on the reference values, then comma, then you just want to be select all the data, got it. Then you just want to be write uh, this column name from the table, which is exactly as a previous, which is 2, then comma. Now we are going to be use 0 because 0 is nothing but a false. You can write false also and you can write 0 also. So here I'll just write 0 and then if I enter it you will get the result, the exact result. Okay, but here we are just using HLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP. Okay, the same thing you have to do here also. You just want to be converted to you can say static variable instead of a relative variable. Okay, so we will get the exact result what you want. Okay, so just change it like the that manner. Okay, so I thought I did it. Let's enter it. You will get the exact result what you want. Okay, let's drag it. Even you can double click on the same, you will get the exact result. So this is the difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, you can add it in comment section. If you have any suggestion, then also you can add inside this comment section. If you like my video, there are a like button also. If you want to be, if you want more content, you can subscribe my channel. If you want to be share this content, you can share with your friends also. So this is all about HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. In next video we are going to be discussing about the new content about Excel or advanced Excel. Thank you so much.